Hey ladies, so this is my progress so far. I took out all the trash. I mean, not trash, but like the pattern. I have a pattern down there, but now I have just this is for all the knit. I plan to put these in the empty space right here because this is on the knit. So there's more knit. These two in the front's not knit, but they're too long to fit in my shelf over there, so they're gonna be with these. So I'm gonna try to move all of these in there so I can clear up this space right here. So this is a door to the bathroom, but I don't go to the bathroom through here, so I just put stuff there. But I'm gonna try to take this out so I can put my mannequin here later. Hi, Cloud. Look at Cloud. He's here. He's here. Cloud's trying to come find mommy. Okay. So that's basically it, you guys. And I took out my Cricut here, so I'm gonna probably put like my most used tool here so I can like clear off my table when I'm done. You see how messy it is? So my plan is when I done, I need to clear off this, so this is always gonna be empty. So I'm gonna designate this space for the most used tools, and then up here I have to put all my equipment away. So my equipment's still there, so I'm gonna plan to put them away and then probably put like some kind of decor here, whatever I've sewn up. I probably put a display for a while. And then here I have my pattern. I need to go through these tub and organize it better. And then I plan to put my applique piece right here for my business. And then probably right here will be like my design binder for my business, the design that I'm offering. So yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. That's what I'm planning to do. I think over here it's already assigned to just sewing only. And then here will just be computer. And then this is going to be just my drawing, my Copic and drawing. I plan to do a little bit more drawing here. Anyways, I'm gonna take these Copic out and shove it in here. So I have to clear out this. This just look too messy for me, for my eye. So I bought some new Copic storage that it's gonna insert into this shelf, and then I'm gonna put the Copic in there so I can have this bigger space for my drawing. And this is taking up space right here, so I'm probably only gonna use this if I have to transport my Copic somewhere. But so far I have not needed to transport anywhere, so I think the new storage that I have here is gonna be wonderful, and I'll show you guys once the new storage is here. So that's basically it, you guys. Thread wall, still thread wall, embroidery, still embroidery. So yeah, that's the plan. And I didn't get much done because today, you guys, I was just trying to get these orders done and just watching Cloud. And then I also was just practicing some on denim, this baby bloomer on denim. And I try this out where I'm using like soft elastic. I know this is off topic, you guys, but I just want to share what I'm working on. Yeah, and I tried a different method of how to close up this, and I think I really like this new method. So I'm gonna share this new method with you guys using these elastic. So this is the fold over elastic. Instead of seam binding, we use this. This is soft. So I think it'll look okay. I mean, this is a little bit challenged. You see I have some wonky seam right here, but I'm just gonna leave it because this is a practice one anyways. If I have to, I mean, I could have taken this out and redo this part, but I was like, you know what? I was just practicing sewing this. So with this, you need to encase the elastic in there, and while you sew you have to stretch it. So it might be challenging for some people because this is taking, like, I have to hold it with my two hand to spread out to sew it. So it was my first time, so we'll see how the other side go, because I already got a little bit practice from this side. And I like this because I don't even have to cut the, you know how I showed you guys in the previous tutorial where I had to cut the interfacing. This one I don't need to. I just serge the elastic to it and then fold over and then put the elastic band inside of it, and then just sew all close in one go. So I don't even need to, you know, insert the elastic in. I will show you guys later, but anyways, that was the day for today recap. Didn't get much done, but at least I moved things over here, and then I put on my fabric, knit in there. So that's the goal, so I can bring in my dress form, because I want to bring back my dress form, put in this door right here. So my dress form's gonna be here so I can play with it, because it's just been sitting in my garage for now. So that's the plan, you guys. Hopefully everything will come into place at the end of 30 days, and I'll probably use Saturday to do a little bit catch up, because I didn't get to a lot of what I need to get to, but at least I have a plan in place. So I hope that today you guys were able to just draw out your, you know, zone and what you plan to do there and what you need to organize. So I will see you guys in tomorrow video, you guys. So this is just a quick update and just some rambling for you guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4, you guys. And now we'll upload the day 4, what we need to do early tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.